Hey there, what's up? In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use our DHL info scraping bot. You will receive this zip file from me. When you extract it, open this folder and find the exe file and open that one. So this is our bot. Just to show the demo, I have some sample links to test here. Once you put all of your desired tracking URLs, just click start button. Now it has scrapped some links. Now I'm going to show how to export this data. Click export button and choose your output path. If you don't want to choose, then you will see the output exported files in this folder. Okay, I am exporting the file. Here you can choose your output format. No, our file is ready. So this is our vote. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will be very happy to assist out. Thank you very much.